Two Indias, an Indian Dr. Version. I come from an India that praises, hails doctors as God when a patient gets better. I come from an India where doctors are beaten black and blue even to death to send them to God when their relatives does not get better. I come from an India where every cliche speech from doctors begin with Vaidyo Narayano Hari. I come from an India where not bad roads, not bad policies, not poor sanitization, not poor policies that kill people, but it is just doctor ki galti that kills people. I come from an India where people hawk snacks, samosa, sweets, kachori, besides standing in gutter. But yet I come from an India where patients ask for even simple medications. कोई side effect तो नहीं है ना? I come from an India where movie stars who take crores of rupees for their shows talk about Indian doctors in their shows. I come from an India where in these shows they tell you how 500 rupee consultation for a specialist is expensive. I come from an India where family members come in huge and large numbers to see their patient. I come from an India where these family members and friends and relatives abandon the patient if you ask them to donate one pint of blood for the patient. I come from an India where people are happy buying things, shopping, restaurants, and movies. I come from an India where we expect even private hospitals and doctors to treat them at discount or at for free. I come from an India where friends, family, and relatives take free treatment from the doctors. But yet, I come from an India where these friends and family of the doctors turn blind eye when there is assault on doctors. I come from an India where our ministers have time to follow arts, sports, culture, and everything. But yet, I come from an India where peaceful agitation, strikes, protests of doctors go unnoticed. I come from an India where Aryan gets bail in no time. I come from an India where NEET PG, exams and its counseling are forever postponed because our courts don't have time. I come from an India where our doctors and health staff are martyred fighting the pandemic. I come from an India where our doctors are standing in roads demanding their timely pay. I come from an India where our doctors work during the day and study during the night. OPDs are after OPDs of their hectic schedule. I come from an India where our elected representatives giggle, laugh, and smile sitting in the assemblies watching. I come from an India where rapists and murderers are roaming free, but yet our doctors are behind the bars because they are responsible for any malware in the electrical circuit of the hospital. I come from an India where Z security is given to the movie stars. I come from an India where a medical student is murdered within the college campus. I come from an India where many professionals choose to go abroad for money and for peace, yet I come from an India where thousands of doctors decide to stay back at primary health center level and treat the patient. Which India do I belong to? The answer is both. Which India do I serve? And the answer is both. But which India do I endorse? Do I endorse the India that hails Indian doctors as gods, or do I endorse the India that calls doctors as devils? And the answer is none. Indian doctors or any doctor are neither gods nor are they humans, just like you, me, and everybody else. Please spread this word of two Indias of Indian doctor worship so that this word is heard by everyone. Let us hope for a better tomorrow for the doctors in India. Thank you. Share the video.